Hey guys, Joe Powerhouse here. In this tech video, we'll be going over routine maintenance on your Powerhouse reg. Typically, I like to do this before every event, just at least inspect the components inside, clean, re-grease, and then if you do need to replace anything, you can do that time. Grab your 2mm or 5/64 hex driver, remove the bottom 3 set screws of the body, or the cap rather. Remove the cap. Okay, we're gonna have spring, piston. The piston will vary depending on the model reg you have. So this one is a TKO system. You might have a green haymaker style ball piston, or if you have a brand new counterpunch, you'll have the large ball lime green piston. Okay, we'll grab a Q-tip with some alcohol, clean out inside the cartridge. This will typically be very dirty with calcium buildup, dirt, debris. Go ahead, wipe down your piston with the microfiber. And inspect these O-rings. If you see any cuts, nicks, or extremely dirty, you can swap them out. Take your Q-tip again down inside the piston. Okay. Inside your adjustment insert will typically get buildup of debris as well. You can Q-tip down inside there. Okay. Grab your Powerhouse lube. I like to use a foam tip Q-tip. Works well to sponge inside. Down inside the cartridge. Relube the large piston O-ring and small piston O-ring. And I'd like to do a little bit down inside the cartridge adjustment insert as well. Okay. Put your pin back in your piston. Drop that down. If you're using the TKO system, ensure that the puck is inside your adjustment insert. Typically that can fall out, and if you forget, that will not be good. Throw your piston spring back in. You can reassemble. Put a dab of blue Loctite on your set screws to help them from backing out. Grab your microfiber, wipe out any excess Loctite. Lastly, grab a new Q-tip and with some alcohol and clean out the top where the activation pin is. That will usually have a lot of buildup of debris as well. And final thing you can clean out is the inlet hole in the bottom of your regulator. This will typically be extremely dirty because that's coming right from the bottle. Clean that out. Inspect your body O-ring right here. Depending on the tank you have, you might need a larger 112 fat O-ring, or if you have a newer style bottle, that may take a 1590, which is a thinner one. Just ensure that there's no gap in between your bottle and your reg. And that completes the routine maintenance on your Powerhouse reg.